What a wonderful world. I see skies of blue and clouds of white, the brightless day, the dark sacred night, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people going by. I see one shaking hand, saying, "How do you do?" They really saying, "I love you." I hear babies cry, I watch them grow. They learn much more than I'll ever know, and I think to myself, what a